In a world that's changing faster than ever, fresh thinking is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Whether you are an entrepreneur, an artist, or simply someone who wants to make a difference, the ability to generate innovative ideas is crucial. How do we unlock this potential? How do we escape the confines of conventional thought? The answer might lie in a surprisingly simple yet powerful technique: reverse thinking. By deliberately turning our assumptions upside down, we can unearth hidden opportunities and devise novel solutions. This essay explores this fascinating concept. We will delve into its mechanics and illustrate its power through captivating examples. Imagine approaching a problem from the opposite direction. Instead of asking, "How can we solve this?" you ask, "What would make this problem worse?" This is the essence of reverse thinking. It is a technique for challenging assumptions and generating fresh perspectives. Instead of seeking the obvious solution, you flip the script. You embrace the unconventional. By deliberately inverting the problem, you force your mind to explore uncharted territories. This can lead to unexpected insights and innovative solutions that traditional thinking might miss. History is replete with examples of reverse thinking leading to remarkable breakthroughs. Consider the iconic Volkswagen Beetle. In a time when large, luxurious cars were the norm, Volkswagen did the unthinkable. They made a small, affordable car that became a global sensation. Similarly, the invention of the ATM revolutionized banking. By flipping the script on traditional bank hours, ATMs provided customers with 24/7 access to their finances. This seemingly counterintuitive idea transformed the industry. The beauty of reverse thinking is its versatility. Whether you're tackling a complex business challenge or simply seeking a creative spark, this technique can be your secret weapon. Start by identifying your default assumptions. Then deliberately challenge them. Ask yourself, what if the opposite were true? This simple exercise can open up a world of possibilities. Remember, the most groundbreaking ideas often sound crazy at first. Don't be afraid to embrace the unconventional. Reverse thinking is not just a technique, it is a mindset. Embrace it and unlock your true creative potential.